Are you wondering how I made the St. Patrick's Day wreath? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Hi everybody, my name is Ruby and welcome to my channel Rubylicious, where I show you how to do DIYs, mom hacks, and lifestyle. But today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful St. Patrick's Day wreath under $6, all from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. Need a hula hoop, a laundry bag, St. Patrick's Day hanging decor, and some golden coins. First, you're going to cut the drawstring from the laundry bag. Go ahead and toss it. The measurement across is about 23 inches. Go ahead and cut it in thirds. Use a straight edge to make lines. I also used a color pencil to make my marks. Make sure you cut all the edges all around and then down the middle. There is a pocket hidden in the front of the laundry bag. You can cut that off and then use it as part of your strips. Now you're going to go ahead and measure 2-inch strips all the way down. After you're done, use a straight edge, make your marks and cut. Grab these scrunchy hair bands that I got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to wrap it around the hula hoop and then put the rubber band around like a ponytail. So you're going to put it over, pull it under, grab a rubber band. Make sure you get the little hair ties, because if you get a regular rubber band, I notice that it takes a long time to twist it around because it'll be loose. Go ahead and repeat a billion times. When you're done, go ahead and grab your St. Patrick's Day decor and cut down the ribbons in between each clover and the hat. Now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to place these, and all you have to do is slide the little black strands down, and then it's up to you. I was trying to see which design I liked the best, if I wanted 2 on each side or 1 4-leaf clover on 4 ends. The most difficult part of this was trying to figure out how I was going to glue the sign to the hula hoop. I tried twice with the glue gun and it was so frustrating. It just didn't want to stick. I think because the hula hoop was plastic. It had like this plastic shine material around it, and then the actual board was made out of like MDF. So now I brought out this E6000, trying to see if that'll work. Now E6000 does have a smell to it, so if you're not used to it, I'm just warning you. And I finally got frustrated and I got yarn, and I just twirled it around the sign just to keep it. I was thinking just to keep it in place, but it wasn't that bad. If you have twine, you can also use twine. I went ahead and repeated it around the 4-leaf clover on the stem of each 4-leaf clover. Now I'm placing all of the gold coins. I used about 2 bags of coins. I didn't finish all of the second bag, but I was surprised that the coins stuck fairly well on the material. I didn't have a hard time at all. And here's the finished product. I love it! For just under $6, I added this sign as well. It's from the Dollar Tree. All my materials are from the Dollar Tree. It came out great, unique, simple, and easy. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Like and subscribe. Bye!